Hi guys, Steph here. Right, I've just popped round to my friend's house here, enjoying a nice cup of coffee in my favourite armchair. But while I'm here, I'm just doing a video regarding a free fountain pen giveaway for you people out there. Now, what I'm actually going to be doing is giving away a new Parker Jotter fountain pen. In fact, we're not just giving away one fountain pen, we're not giving away two fountain pens, nor are we giving away three fountain pens. We're giving away more than four fountain pens. We're not giving away five fountain pens. We're giving away six fountain pens. Yes, six. We're giving away six Parker Jotter fountain pens from the London collection, and these are going to be given away totally free to you people out there. Now, if you'd like the opportunity to win one of these lovely pens, then you'll have to do a little bit of work. I'm not going to give them away willy-nilly. Oh no, no, no. You're going to have to do a little bit of work. What I'll do at the end of the video, I will leave to the very top there, I will leave a link to the review that I did on the Parker Jotter fountain pens. I want you to go to that review, watch it, and then to the bottom of the review, in the description, you will see the Parker pen link. I would like you to click on that link, go to Parker Pens, and then I'd like you to tell me, the Parker Jotters, the name has been around for many, many years. According to Parker Pen, how many years has the Parker Jotter pen been around? So, I'd like you then to tell me in the description the answer. So, how many years has the Parker Jotter name been around? So, you're going to have to do a little bit of work. Go to their site. The answer is there. Leave your answer in the comment below. Tell me how many years the Parker Jotter has been around. And then what we'll do, I'm going to leave this free giveaway open, I don't know, maybe for 21 days. So around about the 22nd, the competition will close. And then after that, I'll put all the winners in a hat and we'll draw out 6 winners. So 6 of you people will be lucky enough to win a new Parker Jotter fountain pen. So why not have a go? And good luck to everybody. And what we'll do next time, we'll see you after the 22nd. We'll do a draw and we'll pick the winners after the 22nd. So have a go. You may be lucky enough to win one of these pens. Don't hesitate, and good luck to everybody out there. I'll see you for now. Bye bye.